Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome from wherever you are attending GeoTalks with us this year. My name is Patrick Cunningham. I'm the CEO and president of Marble Geographics. Very excited to kick off another Marble GeoTalks as I get to do every year. It's something that we take a lot of pride in here at Blue Marble, and we've kind of mixed things up this year. So there's going to be a lot of new kind of features to today's presentations, and I hope that you'll find it as interesting and enticing as always. We're going to have a mixture of presentations from our product managers, our technical experts, and our customers and users who have their use cases, their examples of what they do with the software to share with you. That combination we feel is hopefully going to provide a lot of value and education to you today. I don't know what different interactive components we're going to have in store for you this year, but I encourage you to, take notes, queue up some questions, and we certainly will follow up on everything. But we've got a great group of presenters today for you, so I hope that you're excited, and I hope you find a lot of value in this. Looking back on 2024, we had a lot of exciting releases and accomplishments, and I hope that you all have had a chance to start to dive into the new features and tools. It seems like we're always releasing something new, and I'm not trying to brag, but it's like I wonder, do all of our users, are they aware of this, these great tools that we've been adding, and have they had a chance to dive into them? About this time last year, in the minor release of Global Mapper 25.1, we released a solar shadow analysis tool, actually. And that's a really great feature. It has a lot of different uses in Global Mapper. I would encourage you to check that out. We've done a lot around our scripting tools and interfaces and support for Python. This year, we also released a self-guided training portion of our website. And so now we have some self-guided courses available that are available to you. Many are free. Some of the more intense ones, there's a little small fee. But these are great ways to keep up on all the new features and technology changes that we do every year. Really major things we did this year, we released Geographic Calculator Cloud. So this is a real great first step for us towards getting some real powerful tools out there in the cloud available for our customers. We've had some cloud offerings in the past. We even had a version of the GeoCalc libraries as a repository available for a number of years, but this is the first kind of iteration of some of the desktop tools from Calculator that are now available in our cloud offering. It's freely available right now to current users of Geographic Calculator Desktop, and that's just the first version of the Geographic Calculator Cloud. We've got a lot planned in store for that, and just maybe that might lead into some other cloud offerings around some of our other products, like Global Mapper. We're certainly starting to scope those things out. So stay tuned for all of that. It's going to be really exciting. Not putting any dates around that, but it's definitely on our radar. The other major thing we did this past year in 2024 is we released our Insight and Learning Engine to Global Mapper Pro. This is in beta version, so it's available free as part of Global Mapper Pro. And this is a module focused on deep learning tools that allow you to work with land classification, building detection, and even vehicle detection. This is an expansion of a focus that we've had around machine learning. We've had tools now for a couple of years around semantic segmentation, where you can work and train the tool on a point cloud to find objects in a point cloud, which is a very powerful tool that's in Global Mapper Pro. The Insight and Learning Engine introduces deep learning modules and algorithms available to train and teach the software to work with your data. Just a lot of great new areas that we're getting into with the products, and I'm sure that our technologists, our product managers today will be hitting on a lot of that with you. I would be remiss if I didn't point out that we also are very much focused on the pixels to points or drone and UAV data processing tool set we have in Pro. We've done a lot on that in 2024 around enhancing the quality of the output and the processing time for the output. Look for more feature sets around those tools this year in 2025. And before I hand it off, I understand that Mackenzie's going to be following me up. She's going to be sharing with you some of the latest in Global Mapper Mobile. And we're not putting that tool down either. We definitely be working on more feature sets for Global Mapper Mobile. Working on features like I've talked about, or working on more customer-driven development. And that's always a theme that we go back to time and time again. So, supporting any and all file formats that we can. So if we're not supporting the format you need, just let us know. We'll get it on the list. Enhancing features or tools that you use when you find something missing, whether it's something in contour analysis or line of sight. We believe in customer-driven development because you guys are the experts. You're the scientists, the technologists, the surveyors, the software developers that know, your areas the best, and we just provide the software and the tool to help you be successful. So I believe we have a new beta area of our website. We would love you to join up and be a beta tester. And then if you did not get a chance to submit a talk for GEOTalks this year, please stay up with us and submit something for next year, because we'd love to hear from you. So thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the day.